Now we colt start a horse, then we do reining with a horse for 2, 3, 4 weeks while we're getting control of their body, walk, trot, canter on a loose rein. Yes, the Pasafinos walk, trot, canter on a loose rein, and we really get them relaxed and control of their body. And then once we have that, we start putting them back together, gathering up that rein. By that point, they know how to give the pressure, they know what we're asking, they know about the body part control, and we're able to put them back on a contact rein. Also, I use a contact rein for neck reining, and that would look like this. Whenever I want to start collecting my horse and I want to put my Western horse on a contact rein, I'll start doing this. I'll start drawing right down to his withers and driving him forward with my legs